The review meeting held recently at Tura to assess the flood situation in the Garo Hills was attended by Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma, the DC, SP and senior officials of the three worst affected districts of West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and South Garo Hills district. During the meeting, officials apprised the Chief Minister on the damage to road infrastructure, houses and property in all the three districts caused by the floods, and activities like agriculture and farming activities were also badly affected. The officials also reported on various relief measures that were being taken at their respective jurisdictions, while at the same time informing that the situation in most areas is returning to normal due to the receding flood waters. In the meanwhile, the Chief Minister instructed all officials to actively engage and extend all possible assistance so that emergency relief measures reach the flood-affected people and families at the earliest. He also instructed the officials of the concerned departments to expedite the process of resorting power lines and road connectivity, which have been cut off due to heavy rain and landslides. Noting that floods are a regular occurrence during the monsoons, especially in the plain areas of West and Southwest Garo Hills districts, the Chief Minister instructed the Deputy Commissioners to find a suitable location for setting up of several prefabricated structures that will serve as a permanent relief camp to house affected people during the flood season.
I just finished one review of the overall flood situation in the whole of Garo Hills, but mostly in West Garo Hills, Southwest Garo Hills and South Garo Hills. In the meeting, the Deputy Commissioners, the SPs and block officials and other officials were present, and a detailed report on the damages that happened have been taken, and accordingly instructions have been given to the respective Deputy Commissioners to ensure that prompt action and prompt relief is given to all the individuals who have been affected, and quick assessment of other damages including house and agriculture damages have also been asked to be assessed, and report to be submitted at the earliest so that necessary relief can be given to the individuals concerned.
Later, the Chief Minister visited Tura Civil Hospital and handed over the ex gratia to the next of kin of a family that lost 3 lives in a landslide at Gambegre area of West Garo Hills district.
I met the father and the son who survived, and I have just handed over the ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs each, which is totaling 12 lakhs to the father who survived, and as soon as we get the bank account details from them, then the money will be transferred to them. We are also on high alert to ensure that all precautionary steps can be taken to ensure that if another situation arises, then necessary steps can be taken and response can be given at the earliest.